COVID-19 cases continuing to increase here in Indiana. We've already seen a record number of positive COVID-19 cases in a number of counties around us, and concern is growing that spread is causing local hospitals to fill up. Fox 55's Caleb Saylor spoke with local health and hospital officials today, and he's live outside Lutheran Hospital to tell us more about where those numbers are right now. Right, Caleb?
Yeah, the word concern seems to be the common one amongst health officials here locally. Now, those numbers, like we said, they continue to climb. We have 250 people here in Northeast Indiana that are hospitalized with COVID-19. 100 of them here within the Lutheran Health Network and a similar number within the Parkview system. And officials are growing more concerned that if COVID-19 continues to spread the way it is now, our healthcare system could become compromised.
The hospitals are starting to feel the strain.
More and more people are being hospitalized due to COVID-19 than at any other time during the pandemic. Allen County Health Commissioner Matthew Sutter says if the pattern continues, the way hospitals are operating could change.
They're not having to change their normal operations. They have not exceeded their surge capacity. But if these trends continue, they certainly could.
Vishal Bhatia with the Lutheran Health Network says they're currently on Plan A, saying the hospital group is continuing to care for both COVID and non-COVID patients. But if they reach their capacity,
we would convert other rooms so we can convert them into COVID care zones. And then there's a Plan C, and then there's a Plan D. And then at that stage, you get to non-conventional mode of care for patients when we talk about surge capacity and disaster management.
The plan is similar at Parkview. A Parkview spokesperson tells Fox 55 they have the ability to move COVID patients to area facilities to remain below capacity. But they're getting more concerned as they're now caring for 50% more COVID positive patients than at the peak in the summer. However, Sutter says that the measure of surge capacity being the availability of ventilators no longer makes sense.
Our surge capacity is really going to be about people to take care of the sick people. And as we start to see more spread in the community, we have more people who can't go to work as nurses and respiratory therapists and doctors to take care of these sick people.
And Sutter believes it's only a matter of time before the healthcare system becomes overwhelmed.
It would not surprise me if by Christmas we are seeing significant problems with the hospitals, if the present trends continue. But again, we have the ability to change that, but we've got to change our personal behaviors.
Lutheran officials, Parkview officials, and the Allen County Health Department are continuing to stress the importance of wearing a mask, doing good hand washing, practicing techniques, and staying socially distant to help slow the spread of COVID-19. But Sutter explained today that he's growing concerned about Thanksgiving coming up, the big family gathering holiday, because family gatherings tends to be where we're seeing the largest spread of COVID-19 within the community. And he says there's simply no way to safely enjoy Thanksgiving dinner and stay socially distant unless you're outside and 6 feet away. Reporting live in Fort Wayne, Caleb Saylor, Fox 55 News.